Hello there, sunshine friend. Today I will draw Bluey playing with a broom. Not just any broom. It swishes and zooms, dancing under the bright afternoon. While waiting for my drawing to finish, I'll tell you a story full of giggles and fun. Before that, like this video, and let's see what Bluey has begun. The day was warm, the breeze so light. Bluey twirled her broom with delight. "Look, bingo," she called, spinning fast. "This broom can fly, it's built to last." Bingo clapped, her eyes so wide. "Can I try it? Can I ride?" Dad peeked out, smiling wide too. If you love flying games, like this video, it's made for you. Bluey hopped on, her tail held high. She whispered, "Zoom," and touched the sky. The broom didn't lift, but Bluey dreamed. Her heart soared higher than it seemed. "Whoosh," she said, "I'm flying now." Bingo laughed, "You're touching the cow." They both fell giggling to the ground. The broom spun once, without a sound. Can you spin your arms like Bluey too? Pretend you're flying and like this video, it's what dreamers do. Bluey stood up, brushed off her knees. The sun tickled soft through the trees. "I know," she said, "let's make it real. Let's build wings." That's the deal. They grabbed old cardboard, paint, and glue. "Hold it steady." Bingo knew what to do. Mum came by, her smile so kind. "What are you two building this time?" "A flying broom," Bluey cried, "with magic wings on either side." Mum chuckled, "You'll need some tape." Bingo nodded, and a superhero cape. If you like crafting things brand new, like this video, I'm proud of you too. Soon the broom looked bright and grand. Bluey gripped it, strong in hand. "Ready, Bingo? Count to 3. 1, 2, fly." They both yelled with glee. They ran across the backyard grass. The broom went faster, oh what a class. Bluey jumped high, her heart took flight. For a second, it felt just right. She landed soft, a puff of air. Bingo cheered, "You flew up there." Dad clapped loud, "Nice try, mate." Bluey laughed, "Flying feels great." Can you pretend to glide right now too? Stretch your arms and like this video, it's made for you. As the sun began to dip and fade, Bluey's broom rested in the shade. She smiled and said, "We almost flew." Bingo nodded, "Dreams come true." Mum hugged them both, warm and tight. Every dream begins with light. Bluey whispered, "Next time, higher." Bingo said, "With more fire." The stars appeared, calm and slow. Their brooms sparkled in moonlight's glow. Close your eyes, let dreams sweep through, and like this video before they find you. Crescent moon, blue heart.